Good morning, everyone. My name is Hitesh.
Myself manager.
We are explaining today the what is TRAI. TRAI full form is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. What is TRAI? The Telecom Authority of Regulatory India was established on 1997. The main purpose of this act was to establish the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India (TRAI) and Telecom Dispute Settlement Appellate Tribunal.
Basic information of TRAI. TRAI was established on 20 February 1997 by an act of Parliament to regulate telecom service and tribes in India. Tribes means a tax which is paid to goods coming into a country. In earlier time, regulation of telecom service and tribes was overseen by the central government. TRAI has an head office at Mahanagar Dushanchal Bhavan, Jawaharlal Nehru Marg, Old Minto Road, New Delhi. Some example of telecom companies are Bharti Airtel, Jio, VI, BSNL, etc.
Why TRAI is formed? NTP. NTP means the Network Time Protocol. In 1944, Department of Telecommunication Law was the policymaker and competitor to private entities. Private entities were discouraged to enter the telecom market. Regular telecom communication refers the most. In 1997, TRAI was formed as an independent authority to regulate and provide guidance, principles, and services provided. The ensure the interest of consumer and telecom services.
Basic function of TRAI. TRAI has comprised chairman and at least 2 members and exceeding 6 members. TRAI is responsible for license related issues. It is responsible for interconnectivity among various providers and quality maintenance. It is also responsible to determine the needs and timing of new service provider. Resolution of disputes.
Mission of TRAI. TRAI's mission is to create and mutual conditions broadcasting and cable services in the country in the manner and at a pace which will enable India to play a leading role in the emerging global information society.
Objective of TRAI. TRAI will be increasing tele-dynasty and access to telecommunication in the country at affordable price. TRAI is making available of telecommunication service in which term of range, price, quality are comparable to the best in the world. TRAI is awarding fair and transparent policy environment which promote a level playing field and facilities fair competitions. It is establishing an interconnecting regime that allows the fair, transparent, prompt, and equitable interconnection. It is rebalancing tariffs that so the objective of affordable and operational viability are met in a consistent manner. This is the office of TRAI.
Amendment in TRAI. The Amendment Act established the TRAI dispute settlement tribute to social bills with related disputes. TRAI is not a completely independent telecom regulator. The government puts certain amount of control on it. According to some section of this act, the central government has to power to make rules on various subjects and such rules are binding up to TRAI. Therefore, this is not a completely independent telecom regulator. Why TRAI Act is enacted in 2000. In 1988, the Department of Telecommunication filed a lawsuit against TRAI and decision which in favor of DOT. It is admitted that DOT could still control policy making. In 1999, without represent from TRAI or DOT, only recommendations were served.
TRAI has introduced mobile apps. There are three mobile apps that are introduced by TRAI: MyCall app, MySpeed app, and DND 2.0 app. MyCall app is an Android application for crowdsourced voice call quality monitoring. It will help the user to rate their experience about voice call quality in real time and help guide better experience. MySpeed app that will enable to obtain test even from the users in all service area without any action by the users. DND 2.0 app. It will help to smartphone users to register their mobile number under DND to avoid unsolicited commercial communication, telemarketing calls, and SMS.
Do not disturb DND.
Consumer Protection Law. Consumer Protection Laws Act 1986 replaced in 2019. Application of Bureau of Indian Standard Act 2016. Standard of Weights Measure the Legal Methodology Act 2009 and sectoral laws. Key feature of Consumer Protection Act 2009 cover e-commerce transaction, e-filing of complaints, establish of Central Consumer Protection Authority, producing liabilities and penal consequences, penalties of misleading advertisement, and mediation as alternative dispute resolution. Thank you.